Welcome to the YouTube Masterclass. We are so excited that you took action, enrolled in this class, and we can't wait to help you have more success on YouTube, whether you're a complete beginner or you already have a channel up and running. In this video, I just want to briefly cover the roadmap to your success and how you can have the most success with this course. First, let's get started with the goal that I have for you in this class. And that goal is to help you use YouTube successfully to achieve your own goals. Okay, that's a little bit funny, right? We want to help you achieve whatever goal you have on YouTube, whether that's becoming a YouTube star, making money on YouTube, or just simply understanding how to use the platform. Whatever your goal on YouTube is, we hope that this class can help you achieve that. To make sure that this course is most beneficial for you, I want to briefly go over the course structure. We've ordered it in the way that we think is most helpful if you are brand new to creating a YouTube channel. So the first sections are great for beginners. We show you what equipment we recommend. So while this isn't a course that's going to teach you how to make videos, we have other courses on that topic. We do want to cover what type of equipment we recommend for YouTube video creation. We go over how you start your channel from scratch, how to upload videos properly, and basically how to use the YouTube platform, so the back end, the settings, those kinds of things. The later sections of this course are a little bit more advanced. So if you already have a channel up and running, you might want to actually just go ahead and skip to these sections. There's one section that's all about how you grow your channel. And this is probably very interesting for most of you. These are all the best practices to help grow your channel, get more views, get more subscribers, things like that. We go over how you can make money on YouTube, how to do live streaming, and also how to use analytics to grow your channel. So as I mentioned, feel free to jump around from section to section or lesson to lesson. How can you have the most success in this class? If you are completely new to YouTube, we recommend watching this entire course all the way through. While you're watching it, we want you to take action. So when we're doing things like starting a channel, creating channel art, designing our channel, start taking action and doing those things after each of those lessons. And at the end of the day, please ask questions. If there's anything you need help with, we are here to help. If you also have any other suggestions for improvement or things like that for this class, if there's things that we missed in YouTube or on the platform, please let us know. We'd be happy to add content to make this the best course for aspiring YouTubers. And lastly, who are we? Who are you going to be listening to in this class, and why should you listen to us? My name is Phil Ebener. I'm the founder of videoschoolonline.com, and that's what my channel is all about. My co-instructor is Mike Moyer, who has started the Mike and Lauren channel. We both have channels with over 100,000 subscribers, and everything we teach in this class is based off of our own experience growing our channel. While we do have lots of research and we watch successful YouTubers with more and less subscribers than us, this course is based off of what we've done. There are lots of courses on how to have success on YouTube out there, but many of them are from people who have never had success themselves. They're just using other people as examples. So one of the best things about this course is that you get real world tactics and strategies that actually work. In the next lesson, we're going to dive deeper into why YouTube is the best platform for you and a little bit more into seeing our success.